All right, before we answer the questions, let's go ahead and sum up the sales value at split off point, which is $135,000, the cost to process further, which is $295,000, and then sales value after further processing, which is $460,000. Right, the first thing we want to do is determine total net income if all the products are sold at the split off. Right, if the sales value at split off is $135,000, we're simply going to subtract $100,000 to arrive at $35,000 of net income. If we are to calculate net income, if all the products are sold after further processing, then we would take the $460,000, we would subtract $100,000, and then that additional cost to process further of $295,000. And you can see net income would be $65,000. All right, the first thing we need to determine is our incremental revenue. Again, that's the difference between our sales value at split off compared to our sales value after further processing. You can see the incremental revenue for product 10 is $140,000, $45,000 for product 15, and $140,000 for product 20. Right, you're going to compare the incremental revenue with the incremental cost to process further. You can see we have profit on product 10 and 15, so we would actually process them further. Whereas on product 20, you can see they were at a loss, so for that product, we would sell it at split off. If we process product 15 and 10 further, and we sell our product 20 at the split off, our sales that we generate will be $320,000. We need to subtract our joint cost, and we also need to subtract the additional cost to process further for product 10 and 15. In this instance, our net income would be $85,000.